Hi, welcome to RLB ArtBox Studio video instructions. For the month of June, we are creating a project called Palette Painting featuring artist Katie LeVan. Have fun and enjoy.
First, we'll start off by putting our 4 colors onto the palette. Use about a dime-sized dollop of each color. Next, we'll mix up some white and a touch of blue to make our sky. I like to leave my paint a little bit unmixed to add extra variation instead of one solid color. Then, we'll load up a nice portion of the sky blue onto our palette knife. Slide it firmly across the top of the canvas. This is where I like to let the paint be paint. It will always do what it wants to do, adding unique textures that will make your piece one of a kind. Remember, you can always scrape off any paint that you don't like. Next, we'll add our clouds. Always wipe off your knife in between each color. We're going to load up some white onto our knife. Using a 45-degree angle, apply the white paint to the sky. Use the side of your knife to add variation to the bottom of the clouds. Next, we'll create our mountain. Load up some black paint onto your knife. Using the 45-degree angle again, drag your black where you want your mountain to live. Completely cover the canvas with black where the mountain is going to be at. Scrape off any black at the bottom of your mountain with the side of your knife. Next, load up a little bit of white onto your knife. Lightly drag the white over your black to add snow caps and texture. This is another great area to add unique variations to your painting. Next, we will add our trees. Load up green paint onto the side of your knife. Make sure you put a lot of paint on your knife for this part. Use the side of your knife to apply paint where you want the trees at. I always imagine I'm karate chopping trees into existence with my knife. You can add highlights to the trees by mixing white and green paint and slide it lightly over the green. Once our trees are done, we'll mix up some more of our white and green paint. We'll add our foreground by applying the paint onto our canvas with the knife on its side. Press firmly to cover all areas where the ground will be. Finally, we will add our flowers. Load up paint onto the side of your knife. For each flower area, use fresh white paint. Chop down sideways where you would like the flowers. Remember, sometimes less is more.